Hello viewers, Seon Sayoski here delivering news from the Indo-Pakistan ceremony on May 10th, 2025. Jammu Kashmir reports that the war began at 8:00 post-meridium, followed by drone attacks 30 minutes later. Currently, drone attacks are continuing in the Kashmir region. The Pakistani military is attacking. This is Jammu Kashmir reporting from the scene of the Srinagar airfield. Air raids have been reported, and currently, at least 10 explosions have been confirmed. The Pakistani military is attacking Jammu Kashmir, India. Flashes, explosions, and orange flames are visible from the sky. This is footage of the Pakistani military attacking Kashmir on a large scale. Pakistan continues large-scale drone attacks along the Indian border and in Kashmir. The Indian military is intercepting drones using anti-aircraft guns, shooting down a large number of them. Near the Firozpur border area in Punjab, India, Pakistan's military is conducting drone attacks, resulting in civilian casualties. This is Punjab, India, Firozpur. It has been confirmed that a group of Pakistani military drones attacked this area, and a group of Indian soldiers also responded to the attack. This is Punjab, India. Explosions have occurred approximately 18.64 miles from the Pakistan border. Reports indicate there have been 4 explosions. Gunfire was also reportedly heard in a nearby city. Han Taman, both Pakistan and India are launching attacks on each other. According to reports, Indian military shelling injured 3 civilians in a residential area near the Pakistan border. It is reported that more than 100 Pakistani and Indian fighter jets flew over the airspace during India's initial attack on Pakistan when the Pakistani military was stationed. Pakistani authorities claim that out of the 5 Indian Air Force fighter jets shot down, 1 was hit by a surface-to-air missile. The Pakistani military asserted their air defense system can intercept even supersonic aircraft. According to Al Jazeera, a Pakistani military spokesperson said they are directly communicating with India. The Pakistani military stated through a press conference that Pakistan will not escalate the situation. They also said that if necessary, they will respond to India's actions. Saudi Arabian Foreign Minister Zhang Guan visited Islamabad, Pakistan to help ease tensions between the two countries. I will organize and upload any future news about the India-Pakistan conflict. Those in the disputed India-Pakistan border area should heed Ministry of Foreign Affairs announcements and avoid unnecessary travel. That's all for the video. Thank you.